Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have an administrator account and a quick restore point. This lets you undo changes if needed. Next, open Task Manager and end any iTunes, Apple, or related processes so files aren't locked. Once done, open Settings right arrow apps to reach the uninstall area. That's where Windows lists installed programs. Make sure Windows is up to date and that you have a stable power connection before proceeding to uninstall utilities. In Control Panel, go to Programs and Features and locate Apple Software Update. Right-click and choose Uninstall. You'll see a small wizard. Follow prompts carefully and allow it to remove supporting files. If the standard uninstall fails, run the uninstaller as administrator. Right-click the uninstaller executable in Program Files and choose Run as administrator. Make sure you note any error codes shown, because you'll need them if you run the Microsoft program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter next. After uninstall, check Program Files and App Data for leftover Apple folders and delete them. This removes stray launchers. Then open Task Manager right arrow startup and disable any Apple-related entries so nothing auto-reinstalls. If Windows reports locked files or the program reappears, reinstall the latest Apple software update, then immediately run its uninstaller as administrator. If that fails, run the Microsoft program Install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.